I'm a big WhatsApp user. I use it daily to provide my clients with support. I love a voice note, and it's a really easy way for me to send little instructional videos to my clients about system shiz if and when they get stuck. But did you know that you can use WhatsApp on your desktop? This was a revelation to me last year, and it's made life a whole lot easier for sending links and attachments and keeping tabs on work conversations while I'm at my laptop. If you're not already using it, here's how you can get yourself set up. If you're an iPhone user, open up WhatsApp and go to Settings on the bottom right, choose Linked Devices and then click Link a Device. On an Android phone, open up WhatsApp and select the three dots top right, select Linked Devices and click Link a Device. Your phone is going to open up a QR scanner, click OK, then on your desktop or laptop browser, open up web.whatsapp.com and use your phone to scan the QR code on your laptop screen. You'll now have a tab open with your WhatsApp messages, which you can bookmark for quick access. It's good, isn't it? If you want more genius tips and tricks for helping you turn your knowledge and expertise into a thriving online business, then head over to bexmcneil.co.uk and check out the tips and tricks tab. Then make sure that you're subscribed so that all of the new episodes land directly into your inbox.